Hello student, welcome to your software engineering class. In this class, I will discuss a new chapter, User Interface Design, Unit 5. Mostly the user interact with the software through user interface. So, user interface should be easy and should be good or user friendly that user can easily access or control the software. In this session, I will discuss about the user interface and what are the characteristics of a good user interface. So let's start. Contents of this video: introduction means introduction to UID, user interface design, and characteristic of good user interface. What are the different characteristics of a good user interface? So speed of learning, speed of use, speed of recall, error rate, attractiveness, consistency, feedback, support for multiple skill level, error recovery, user guidance, and online help. These are some characteristics of good user interface. So let's start. Introduction. In any software product, user interface portion is responsible for all interaction with the user. Means through the interface, the user interact with the software. User interact with a software product through its user interface. User interface portion of any software is directly relevant to the user. Many users judge a software from its user interface. Means if the user interface is good or user friendly, then the user is greatly satisfied with the software product. So we have to make sure that the user interface is good enough. Aesthetic apart, a difficult to use interface lead to higher level of user error, leads to user dissatisfaction. Means if the interface is not user friendly, then user will make error and user will be dissatisfied with the software. User become particularly irritated when a system behave in unexpected way. Issued command do not carried out action according to intuitive expectation of user. Means user is disappointed if the software is not working as per the expectation when a command is executed. So the user interface should be user friendly that the user can easily access the software. A significant portion of the total development effort spent in developing the user interface. So user interface is very important in the software product. So the many developer give more effort in developing the user interface. For many interactive application, as much as 50% of the total development effort is spent on the user interface part. Means 50% of the effort is used to develop the user interface part. It is important to carefully study user interface design concept. Let us examine what a good interface is. Unless we know what a good user interface really is, we cannot possibly design one. Means first of all, we have to know what are the characteristics or what is a good interface. Then we can develop a good user interface. So let us discuss about the characteristic of good user interface. Characteristic of good user interface. First is speed of learning. A good user interface should be simple to learn. Most users are put off by complex syntax and semantic of the command issue procedure. Means good user interface should be very simple, means user can easily use the command. If the uh, user interface is complex and it is not easy to use the syntax of a command, then the user mm, user will very disappointed with the software. A good user interface should not require user to memorize command, means the command will so simple that the user need not to memorize all the command. An important factor affecting the speed of learning is consistency. Once a user learn about a command, should be able to use similar command even in different circumstances of carrying out similar action. Means when one command is learned by the user, he can use the same type of command easily in any circumstances, so that learning will be speed up. Okay, so the command should be easy to use. This will be speed up the learning. User can learn about an interface faster if it is based on day-to-day real-life example using metaphor. Use concept with which user are already familiar. Means the user can learn faster about the interface if it use day-to-day real-life example and the concept with which the user is already familiar. Means the easy example, like we are using the cut, copy, paste, these are some metaphor of day to day real life example, and we can use this type of command in any user interface, so that user can easily speed up their learning. So this is an example. For example, interface of a text editor can use concept similar to writing on paper. Means the text editor can use the concept of writing on a paper as the user do, such as cutting lines and paragraphs and pasting it at other place. User can immediately relate to it, means the example can immediately relate to it and the user can easily understand the command. Also, learning is facilitated by intuitive command name, symbolic command issue procedure, means the command symbols are simple, like cut command always use a scissor symbol, means the user can easily understand the command. Then next is speed of use. Speed of use is determined by the time and effort necessary to initiate and execute different command. The time and user effort necessary to execute different commands should be minimum. Means when the command is executed, the time taken by the command should be minimum. Then example of bed interface. User requires to type a lengthy command. Means if the user require to type a lengthy command, the lengthy command is an example of bed interface. Command uses involves moving the mouse to widely different area of the screen. If the user move the mouse widely on the screen, then that is also an example of bed interface. Okay, can slow down the operating speed of the user. So these are some characteristic or example of bed interface. Then speed of recall. Once user learn how to use an interface, their speed of recall about using the interface should be maximized. Mean after learning he can recall the interface very easily. The speed of recall is improved. The speed will be improved by using metaphors, symbolic command issue procedure and intuitive command name. Means the speed of recall will be increased by using the metaphors and the symbolic commands that can easily relate to the real life example and the intuitive command name. These three can speed up the recalling power of a user. Then next is error rate. A good user interface should minimize the scope of committing error. Means the good interface minimize the error committing by the user. Error rate can be easily measured by count the error committed by different user. Error monitoring can be automated. Instrument user interface with monitoring code record the frequency and the types of error committed by different user, later display statistic of various kind of user error. Means user interface can have a error monitoring, the error is measured and what type of error and the frequency of error are recorded in the software, and later on it will display the statistic of various kind of error. Then the next is how can we reduce the error possibilities. Consistency of command name, consistency of command issue procedure. Means the way of the procedure of command issue will be same, then the error will be minimized. Consistency in behavior of similar command. If the commands are same in behaviors, same type of command have the same type of behavior, then the error will be reduced. Simplicity of command issue procedure. Means the procedure of command issue should be simple so that the error possibility will be minimized. Then the next point is attractiveness. A good user interface should be attractive. An attractive user interface catches user attention and fancy. Means the attractive user interface have the ability to bind the user with the software. In this respect, for example, graphic based user interface have a definite advantage over the text based interface. Means GUI interface is always bind a user with the software as compared to text based interface. Then next is consistency. Consistency of command is very desirable. Allow user to generalize the knowledge about one aspect of the interface to another. Consistency help in speed of learning, speed of recall, also help in reduction of error rate. Then next is feedback. A good user interface must provide constant feedback to user action. For example, if any user request takes more than few seconds to process, the user must be informed that his or her request is still being processed. Means the user interface always provide the feedback to user. Means if there is any request is processing, and the user should be informed about that the command is on process. If possible, the user should be periodically informed about the progress made by the processing the command. Means user may show the progress bar of the command Okay. In the absence of any response from the computer for a long time, if the processing is going on and there in absence of any response from the software or from the computer, then the user might be in a panic, or he will reboot the system or restart the system. So always provide a feedback to the user about the processing. The next is support for multiple skill level. Means the software may be used by different type of users. Some user are new to the software, some user are experienced. So the user will always used by multiple skill level of user. A good user interface should support different level of sophistication in command issue procedure. User with different experience level prefer different type of interface. Means the new user always like to use simple command, but the experienced user always check the speed of the command issue. So he the experienced user might be use the hotkeys, but the new user always use simple command to use the software. Okay. Novice user discouraged by cryptic command name. Means new user always like the easy command name. Complex command issue procedure, and complex command issue procedure also difficult for the new user. Elaborate command slow down the command issue procedure, and elaborate command is doesn't like by the experienced user. Put of experienced the experienced user doesn't like the elaborate command which slow down the process. As user become familiar with an interface, look for faster command issue procedures such as hotkeys, macro. Means when the user become experienced, he wants the issue the command very faster. He like to use the hotkeys, macro, etc. So the software have different label of commands for new user and for the experienced user. Then error recovery. All category of user commit error. A good interface should be allow user to undo mistakes. Means always a good interface have the ability to undo the mistake. User are inconvenienced if they cannot recover from even simple error. So the good user interface must have the undo facility. Then the next is user guidance and online help. The user might need guidance or seek help from the system. Means the good user interface always provide help or guidance to the user. User guidance is provided through two broad category of method: online help, guidance, and error message produce in response to user actions. Means the user may provide the online help or the error message or guidance to use the command. This can help the user to use the software. So this is all about the characteristic of good user interface. Good user interface should be easy to learn, easy to use, and easy to recall by a user. And the error rate should be minimized, and the user interface should be attractive and provide feedback to the user to use the software. And mm, it have command for different user, like the new user, novice user, and the experienced user. And it have undo facility and provide online help or guidance to use the software. So these are the characteristic of user interface. Thank you.